Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about growing blue daze. Blue daze is a beautiful plant that you can add in your garden for all year round flowering. This plant is a member of the morning glory family. They have these tiny sky blue colored flowers that bloom a lot and fill the plant and look amazing. If you are looking for a plant that is very easy to grow and will give you flowers all year round, then this is a great plant for you. I will discuss how to grow and maintain them, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected. Now blue daze, they originate from Brazil and Paraguay. They are very low maintenance plants and they love sunlight and warm weather. So when growing them, choose a sunny spot so they get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. They will flower more if they receive good amount of sunlight. You can give them afternoon shade when the weather gets too hot, or if you see the leaves getting a bit yellowish. They are pretty hardy plants, so they will tolerate harsh weather quite well. The one thing these plants don't like is too much water and wet conditions, so keep them in a dry and sunny area. These plants don't grow too big. They are bushy, compact, and they grow horizontally, so they are perfect for small containers and hanging baskets. I have grown them in a small container and they are doing quite well. Blue daze can be grown in any kind of soil, even in poor soil, but they grow best if the soil is well draining and moderately fertile. So prepare a well draining potting mix. You can choose a sandy soil if you have. Add some compost and bone meal with it. If you want, you can also add some river sand to improve the drainage, and make sure the container has good drainage holes. You can fertilize them weekly with any organic liquid fertilizer. I add mustard cake liquid fertilizer and homemade banana peel fertilizer. You can add a tablespoon of bone meal every 2 to 3 months, and that will be enough. They don't need heavy maintenance. Water your plants well during the summertime and do not overwater them. Make sure they don't get too wet during the rainy season. You can spray some fungicide powder if you see any fungus problem. I have not faced any pest problems with them. They're quite hardy. When the plants get too long and leggy, you can prune them back a little, cut any dry damaged stems. You can propagate these plants from stem cuttings. Growing them from cutting is very easy, so that is all you need to do to grow these plants. They will flower throughout the year with very little care, so grow them, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye!